Hello students, I am Professor Priya Jamnani and I am going to start my video series for the subject Corporate Accounting, which is prescribed by Rani Chennamma University, Belgavi for the students of BCom 4th semester. This subject is practical oriented subject and the topics covered in my videos will be as per the syllabus given by the university. So let us now take a look of syllabus. Basically, we will be studying 5 modules in this subject. Now let us go through the syllabus in detail. Module 1, Amalgamation, Absorption and External Reconstruction, Merger Method. Amalgamation in the nature of merger, meaning, calculation of purchase consideration, accounting treatment in the books of transferor and transferee companies as per Accounting Standard 14, excluding intercompany holdings, vertical balance sheet. So basically in the module 1 we are going to study about merger method of amalgamation. When it comes to amalgamation, it can be done using two methods. One is merger method, second one is purchase method. So in the first module we are going to study about merger method. First we will study about the basic concepts, that is what is actually amalgamation, absorption, external reconstruction. After studying that we will study how to calculate purchase consideration and how to maintain the accounts of transferor and transferee company as per Accounting Standard 14, and we are going to prepare the balance sheet in vertical format. Now earlier the problems were solved using horizontal method, but from now on we will make it a point to solve the problems using vertical balance sheet. Alright, so second module, amalgamation, absorption and external reconstruction, purchase method. Amalgamation in the nature of purchase, meaning, calculation of purchase consideration, treatment in the books of transferor and transferee company as per Accounting Standard 14, excluding intercompany holdings, vertical balance sheet. So in the second module we are going to study about second method of amalgamation, that is purchase method. So again we will understand the basic concepts, calculate purchase consideration, and we will also learn how to maintain the accounts of transferor and transferee company, and we will prepare the balance sheet in the vertical format. Next, module 3 is internal reconstruction, wherein we are going to study the meaning, alteration of share capital, reduction of share capital, writing of accumulated losses, accounting entries for reorganization and alteration of capital, legal provisions in respect of alteration of capital. So basically in module 3 we are going to study how a company goes in for internal reconstruction. So therein we are going to study how alteration of share capital, reduction of share capital is done, how the accumulated losses are written off, and how the accounting entries are passed for various transactions when internal reconstruction happens for a company. Okay, so we will study all this in detail, and let me also tell you that basically in this module we are going to pass journal entries for internal reconstruction, that we will be studying. Module 4, forensic and creative accounting, meaning, significance, methods, theory only. So in this topic we are going to basically study about forensic and creative account, meaning, significance and the methods of forensic and creative accounting. So in this module we are going to only study the theory part. We are not going to solve any problems in this module. We are going to only study the theory part in this module. Last module, accounts of holding companies as per Accounting Standard 21, meaning, need and relevance of group accounts, preparation of consolidated financial statements in case of wholly owned and partly owned subsidiaries as per Accounting Standard 21, calculation of minority shareholders and minority interest, consolidated balance sheet with intercompany adjustments. Basically, in module 5 we are going to study about holding companies. Now we know that holding company is a company which holds shares or maximum number of shares in some another company. So in this module we will study how to maintain accounts of such holding company along with its subsidiary companies. So we will also study how to calculate minority shareholders and minority interest, how to prepare the balance sheet. So in detail we are going to study how to maintain accounts of holding company. So these are the 5 modules that we are going to study in this subject. Let me also tell you about the reference books. You can refer Godi sir's or Kadkol sir's textbook for this subject, which will help you to understand the subject in a better manner. In the next video, I shall start with module 1. So let me conclude for today. Thank you.